Hello. I've had some GI issues lately. Just some my stomach digestion has been super fast and very noisy. Just a lot of gurgling. So I am actually not having vegetables today for lunch. I'm just seeing what happens. It's 11 o'clock. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. So what I did was I pulled the veggies out and I'm having the ground beef that I usually have for breakfast, and I put it in with the steak that I have. So yeah, I'm having a bowl of meat for brunch. I'm not like trying to change to twice a day or whatever. It's just I'm just doing it to see if this kind of helps with that, with the stomach issues. So I'm going to put on some of the Tony's Creole seasoning. I'm definitely feeling better today, just so you know. And then I've got some adobo I'm going to put on here. Now, let's see how that goes. Like I said, I'm just not, just making some huge changes forever. Just, sometimes you just gotta try things out if you feel a certain way. So let's see how this tastes. Maybe a little more of this. Oh, a mess. All right, let's try it now. That'll work. So anyway, yeah, so it's 11, and for brunch, I'm having meat. Yes, I'm in the bathroom at work, but look, I forgot to show you. Look at this pattern. This jacket is totally something that would come straight out of your grandma or great grandma's closet. I got this at the thrift store. I needed this in my life. I needed it. I mean, how fun. Okay, bye. Hello there. Welcome to Terry's Kitchen. I've got, this is the pork loin chops, and I'm gonna have the veggies for supper. So I'm gonna add some salt. We're going with the Asian flavors tonight. I'm gonna try really hard. This is that stir fry. I'm gonna try really hard to get. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, which is 2 servings. So 17 and 17. So I think that's around 34 grams. Okay, so 2 servings of the G. Hughes stir fry. I just like it in here for control. And this is those aminos. Let me see. 1 serving is 1 tablespoon. So, hey, what did I push? Well, hang on, y'all. I gotta turn this off and back on or something. There we go. Because this is a Weight Watcher scale, you can plug in stuff like points, and so if I hit one of these other buttons, it acts a little bit silly. So this is coconut aminos. 1 tablespoon, so I'll do 15 grams. Okay, and I'm gonna do 5 grams of sriracha. Okay, and I don't think I did it. I'm gonna do some Greek seasoning. I like this flavor, so it's my all-purpose Greek seasoning and the pièce de résistance. I don't know French. I don't even know if that's French. The highlight of the thing. So, there you go. That's my supper tonight. Pork, Asian, vegetable medley. All right, there you go. Have a good night, you guys. Oh, it is, what time is it over here? It's 6 o'clock and I'm eating supper. Here's my calories and macros for the day. Have a good night.